Treasury yields continue to go lower, and if you go back to March, it seems like a long time ago. That's really when things turned, and we started to see Treasury yields move to where they are now. And we did see a recent move up towards 190, but a quick reversal has shown that really what the market is fearing most maybe isn't so much about what the Fed could or isn't going to do when it comes to short-term rates, but maybe it's more about global growth, more about trade deal with China, and basically what we're seeing is a flight to quality bid that hasn't stopped. It's now been going on for 6+ months. I think at this point it's going to take more than a Fed saying everything's okay to get the 10-year note yield to reverse itself. We're going to start to need to see global growth get its sea legs back under it. A lot of political mumbo jumbo going on in Washington isn't helping either. And I think when you look at what's happening in the equity markets, those bigger down days are becoming more frequent. And that's obviously pushing money out of equities and into bonds, or at least is looking like it is, with yields continuing to trend lower. So at this point, clarity is what we need. And we're going to get some clarity from the Fed at the end of October. We're going to get some clarity from the UK and the EU at the end of October. The global growth and the China things, we could get clarity any day, or at least some kind of resolution which could at least give the market something to sink its teeth into, because as long as China continue and the US continue to battle back and forth, that's going to affect equity markets, which rolls into the bond market. And that's really what's been driving trade. So at this point, look for yields to continue lower through the month of October. After that, it becomes a new game, because then we start to focus on year end, which will bring with it its own set of variables and potential problems. So right now, look for Treasury yields to continue lower. I look for a test of the year-to-date low in this month as we approach Brexit and as we approach October FOMC.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.